Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley and I'm the crochet designer slash business strategist here behind A Crafty Concept. Last month I shared a video with you guys showing you all kinds of ways to market your crochet business in January. It got a lot of positive feedback. I will link it below for you guys in the description just in case you want to check it out. So I thought I would do another video this month telling you all the ways you can market your crochet business in February. So this is just to give you lots of good ideas and creative juices to help you get started thinking about ways you can market your crochet business in February that is relevant, seasonally appropriate, and will hopefully return in some sales or engagement on your social media. Let's head over to my computer screen and look at our calendar for February 2021. Okay, here is the February calendar. In case you are new around here, this is part of the 2021 social media calendar that I released for you guys. You can get the free PDF download for this by signing up to my email list. I will put a link for it in the description below. Starting us off on Tuesday, February 2nd, that is Groundhog Day. If you make anything groundhog related, now would be a very good day to share that picture. Also, this is an easy way to get engagement on your post. You could say, hey, did you go outside and look for your shadow today? What did you find out? Or did you see your shadow when you went outside? Or do you think we're going to have more winter or summer's going to be here before we know it? Or whatever it is the Groundhog Day is all about. You could talk about it on social media and then encourage your ideal customer to comment, which will create engagement for your Instagram. The 4th is World Cancer Day. You could talk about the beanies that you make, or if someone in your life is struggling cancer or is a cancer survivor, that would be a good day to raise awareness by sharing your story and also start building relationships with your audience because they might relate to you and that story in a way that you wouldn't have expected before. Friday the 5th is National Weather Person's Day. That could be a really fun day to celebrate. Crafty rainbow pillows would be a fun way to celebrate National Weather Person's Day on your feed, which is a free pattern on my blog, and I will link that one for you guys down below. The 7th is Super Bowl. Not 100% sure how that's going to work for COVID season, but I'm anxious to see if you sell any sports themed things like headbands or hats. It would be really fun to make one hat of both of the two teams that are going to be playing at the Super Bowl and ask your audience which team they think is going to win. That will get a ton of engagement, I bet, especially if your audience is already made up of sports fans anyway. The 8th is National Boy Scouts Day. If you have a son that's in Boy Scouts, or if your husband was in Boy Scouts when he was younger, something like that, that would be a really good time to share that story. Again, kind of like World Cancer Day, to build relationships with your audience. National Pizza Day is February 9th. My daughter Ava basically only eats pizza, so she will be very excited about this day. If you have any crochet pizza amigurumi things, that will be a really fun way to post about National Pizza Day. Or I remember a pizza scarf I think I saw a long time ago. I'll try to pop up a picture and include a link if that is a thing and I didn't just make it up in my head. February 11th is National Inventors Day. That's an exciting day. Maybe you could talk about your favorite invention that has changed your life recently. Share it with your ideal customer because if they are anything like you, the invention that changed your life would probably change their life too. So, for example, if you are a mom and you bought a pacifier cleaner and you sell baby things and your ideal customer is a bunch of moms with babies that take passies, sharing that invention will be a great way for you to kind of position yourself as like, hey, I'm one of you guys. I'm a baby girl mom. You're a baby girl mom. Also, it will help get engagement on your feed because you can create conversation around this amazing invention that changed your life and you think would change your ideal customer's life as well. Chinese New Year is on the 12th. If that applies to you or your business, feel free to celebrate that on the 12th with different crocheted things, pictures of your trip to China, anything that you've got that relates to you or your business. That would be a beautiful day to celebrate those. World Radio Day is on the 13th. How fun would a cute little boombox be for my 80s and 90s babies? Or a crocheted pair of headphones? Something like that would be adorable. You could use this day just to talk about the kind of music that you're into. You could talk about the music that you listen to when you're crocheting, and then ask your customers what kind of music do they listen to when they're doing things around the house. Great way to get engagement and great way to start building relationships with your audience. February 14th is Valentine's Day. That's a beautiful day to post something that you make in Valentine's-y colors like red, white, and pink. Different shades of pink. Pink is my favorite color, so pink it up on Valentine's Day. February 15th is President's Day here in America. February 16th is Mardi Gras. If that applies to you or your business, or if you have a story about Mardi Gras, that would be a perfect day to celebrate that day on your social media and get some engagement from your audience. Random Acts of Kindness Day is the 17th. I absolutely love this day. Last year, my daughter and I walked around a local college and handed out some free beanies as part of National Acts of Kindness Day. You could say, every order placed this week will come with a free beanie, and you can clear out your winter stock because it's almost time for warmer weather anyway. Plus, it's just a really nice way to spread some love and kindness. You could talk about a random act of kindness that you were the beneficiary of, like if someone paid for your coffee in the Starbucks line, like a random stranger. That would be a nice story to share with people. Just encourage your people to celebrate this day. We can always spread kindness, and now we have a perfect excuse to do that. So definitely celebrate and promote and encourage random acts of kindness from your audience on February 17th. February 18th is National Battery Day. I'm not sure how we can make that apply to social media for crochet business owners, but I'm sure some of you have some fantastic ideas in your brain. So feel free to leave a comment down below with your ways of celebrating National Battery Day. I will look forward to reading those. February 20th is National Love Your Pet Day. If you have a pet, you could share a picture of him or her on this day. If you sell pet things like toys or bandanas or little kitty cat hats, this would be a perfect day for you to promote that product on your feed. Also, encourage your audience to tag you in pictures of their pets. Just say, hey, I'd love to see your pets. Looking at pictures of little animals makes my heart so happy. Tag me in your pictures and I'll leave a comment. That will be a good way for you to start building engagement and Instagram algorithm juice, so you will start showing up on more people's feeds down the road. February 21st is International Mother Language Day. If you have a cultural component to your business, that would be a wonderful day to talk about different cultures, different languages, things like that. The 22nd is National Wildlife Day. If you sell anything leopard print, today would be a great day to promote those. I know I've seen some really pretty leopard print beanies before that I absolutely love and adore. And I have a sheet of leopard print wrap labels available in my Etsy shop as well for $2.50. So if you need some leopard wrap labels to wrap your makes in for National Wildlife Day, I've got you. I will put a link below for that PDF download. Last February 28th, Golden Globe Awards Day. You could crochet yourself a Golden Globes trophy. That would be really fun. Talk about your favorite celebrities. Talk about watching the award ceremony, something like that. If it applies to you, your brand, or your ideal customer. Also, February 28th is my birthday. I will be 31 this year. So 30 was way more trendy sounding than 31, but what can you do? I will be celebrating getting old on that day. We have a few more holidays down here that couldn't quite squeeze on the calendar. The 2nd is World Wetlands Day. The 7th is National Send a Card to a Friend Day. I love that. I love getting cards in the mail. How cute would it be if you said, every order placed today on the 7th will come with a blank card that you can use to send to a friend whenever you get it. It doesn't have to be National Friends Day, National Send a Card to a Friend Day in order for you to send a card to a friend. So you could just include a blank card that you make on Canva really easily and send that out to your customers on National Send a Card Day. That's a really fun way to celebrate that day. The 9th is Safer Internet Day. The 13th, I guess, is Valentine's Day. I don't know how official this is, but I Googled it and showed up more than one place. So if your ideal customer has a lot of girlfriends, celebrating Valentine's Day would be a really fun thing to promote that she would probably really enjoy. What I would do is start on the earlier days of February and start promoting your pieces that would make excellent Valentine's Day or Galentine's Day gifts. Start promoting them earlier in the month so you can try to get a few more sales before those holidays hit. Then the 20th is World Day of Social Justice. So if that applies to you, your business, or your brand, definitely feel free to celebrate that day on your social media platforms. Then I have a little tidbit just for a little bit more information for you guys. It says love is in the air. Self-love, love of chocolate, soulmate love, BFF love, all of it. This month, help your audience show love with the products you sell. And then I listed a few products that are good for gifting on Valentine's Day. Crafty facial rounds make great gifts for Galentine's Day. You can encourage your audience to pair them with a candle and some fun body wash. Sign me up for that gift set. I would love that gift. Clear Cozies would also be a great BFF gift. Pair it with a Starbucks gift card and you've got a winner. I love me some Starbucks. And crafty boho slippers make great gifts for him. If you are struggling on what to crochet the man in your life for Valentine's Day, crafty boho slippers is a winner in my book. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Like I said, if you want the full 2021 content calendar, you can get the free download by subscribing to my email list, and then it will be sent to you automatically, as well as a couple more freebies over the next couple days just to help you grow your business, think about your business in a different light, and a few tips and tricks to help you as well. We have lots more months coming up in 2021, so definitely take advantage of this freebie. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you like videos like this one. I will be doing them every single month, as well as multiple videos throughout the month. I'm trying to post once a week, sometimes twice a week, so it's really kind of up in the air. But I would love if you would hit that subscribe button and hang out with me here on YouTube. I will see you guys in the next video. Have a fantastic February.